Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, want to upload 1 minute video to Instagram story without it getting cut off? Here's the solution. So, firstly, open the Play Store app on your device. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now, update it if not, and after that, tap on open. Now, swipe left to open the story camera. At the bottom left, click on the gallery icon and select your 1 minute video. Now you can add the text, stickers, musics and customize it as you need it. And after that, tap on your story to publish it. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.